Now identified the problem, gathered and evaluated disciplinary insights, and constructed a more comprehensive understanding. We arrive at the final step of the interdisciplinary research process, reflecting on, testing, and communicating the understanding. Let's break that down. First, reflection. This is where we take a step back and critically consider what we've actually learned, not just about the topic, but about the process. Did we grow in how we think across disciplines? Did we encounter unexpected challenges or moments where integration deepened our understanding? We also reflect on what we left out. Were any steps compressed or skipped? Were our own biases present? And how did our limited knowledge of certain disciplines shape the final outcome? Second, we move to testing the understanding. This isn't a simple pass or fail moment. It's about rigor. Does our new understanding work better than any single disciplinary explanation? Does it offer actionable insights? Is it coherent, balanced, and well integrated? We can also apply formal tests like the Newell test for utility, the Szostak test for explanatory depth, or the Boyks-Mansilla rubric for integration and critical reflection. And third, we communicate. Interdisciplinary research doesn't stop at the conclusion of the project. It must be shared. That could mean creating a metaphor, a model, a narrative, or even a new product or policy proposal. But the goal is to clearly express your integrated understanding in a way that's accessible and valuable to others, including the disciplines you borrowed from. Ultimately, this final step is about closing the loop, looking back, validating the quality of your work, and then offering it forward to the scholarly and real-world communities that can benefit from it.